proudly brought to you by Hovertech. Hovertech, just a button away.
In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing how to read back or backup from a Qualcomm Android phone using Qualcomm Flash Image Loader tool, QFIL. Now before we begin, you must install Qualcomm USB drivers on your PC, and you must have your programmer Firehose file for your device. Now you can get this file directly from the firmware of your device, or you search online, hopefully you'll find it, or you randomly try programmer files for your chipset type. Now we'll quickly launch QFIL. Click on configuration. Now depending on your device storage type, you need to change this option. This particular device I'm working on uses eMMC chipset storage, so I choose eMMC and select OK. Next, I will need to boot the phone into EDL mode. This particular phone uses volume up, volume down, then connect the phone to the PC. Now depending on your phone, you might need to search for how to boot your phone model into EDL mode. So right here it has detected the COM port. If yours does not detect automatically, you can click select port, select the right port, then click OK. Now we'll select flat build. Flat build will select the programmer file. Next we'll click tools, partition manager, click OK. Now once partition manager opens, it will list all the partitions of your device. Now for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to read back, boot and recovery. So to read back, we'll right click, click on manage partition data, click read data. Now it says finish read data. Now we need to locate this file, see user. So let me quickly open that location. So this is the file we read. I'll quickly rename the file to boot so as not to create confusion. Now I'll click close. Then I want to read back recovery as well, so I'll right click, read data. So once it's done, finish read data. And this is the file, so I'll save this as recovery. Now depending on what else you need to read back, you are free to read back all partitions of your choosing. So this is how you read back from a Qualcomm Android phone using QFIL tool. Now we can click, once you are done, click close and click OK. This option will reboot your phone back to home screen.